Good day everyone, this is Sharon, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this feather that you can make and add to your crocheted dream catcher. It's very easy to make, and I'm gonna show you step by step. First step is you're gonna need a board. It could be white or anything, and then a piece of yarn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out, maybe I want it like this, and if you want a smaller loop to hang your feather, because I made this one a bit bigger and I want it to be just this wide. And then I'm gonna get this clipper and clip it right here. So maybe I'm gonna do it like that. So just clip it right here, and then on the other end you can cut and then add another clip to hold it in place, because you don't want this to move a lot when you're adding the feather. So after this, next step is we're gonna cut out some yarns, and you can use a card, something like this. And because I want the feather to be just maybe this wide, or maybe this wide, so that I can form a shape after cutting them. So maybe I'm gonna I'm gonna wrap it around this card maybe 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 15. After that, I'm gonna cut it out so that all strips are even. You can just cut it this end one at a time. So, and then the other one. There you go. So after that, we're now going to start getting one strip at a time. And since we want a small loop there, so we're gonna start by tying a knot using a strand of yarn one by one. So this is a bit time consuming, but at the same time it's a stress reliever, especially for those of you who are into arts. In here, I'm gonna add a few more colors, and I'm gonna start adding the green first. So if you want your feather to be colorful, you can add different colors, any color that you think is good. So I'm using 2 strands at a time because this is similar to a medium weight. So this is how it looks like so far, and next I'm gonna add the yellow one. So this is what it looks like after adding a few different colors for the feather. And last thing is you need a comb. So we need to do this until we get this kind of texture like the feather. It's fluffy, so you need to take some time in combing the strands. It's okay if you have different kinds of strands because later on it will even out later as you try to comb them until they get fluffy. And then after this we can trim to shape the feather. So when you remove the clip, make sure to cut off the one that is on the clip and then tie it like this so that the others will not come out of the string.